Here's how I achieve my signature beach waves in 5 easy steps. Step 1. Wash your hair with shampoo and conditioner. Step 2. Blow dry your hair straight. I recently bought the GHD blow dryer and it's my absolute favorite. Step 3. Flat iron your hair straight. I like to flat iron my hair before I curl it because it creates a smooth texture to my hair. I like to use TRESemme Thermal Creations Heat Tamer Leave-In Spray as a protectant. Step 4. Section your hair and curl it with a curling iron. For my curling iron, I like to use the Conair 1-inch barrel. Step 5. Use TRESemme Perfectly Undone Sea Salt Spray and then run your fingers through your hair. To create the final look, I like to run my fingers through my hair to give it that effortless, natural beach wave. There you go! Now you've seen how I create my everyday beach wave.